Wow, I just got done watching this video. Zoom Truth is the YouTube channel, and this guy has created a flat Earth people connector. It is the craziest damn thing I have ever heard. I I have no idea what this dude's thinking. Not yet, but it's coming. Persecution of Christians and flat earthers. And if you're on this thing and it gets hacked, if it's not already been created by the government, who knows? But if it gets hacked by the government, it automatically shows them where you're at. And I know a lot of people who are flat earthers and whatnot who follow Eric Dubay, and they're like, well, the Holocaust never happened and whatnot. Listen, man, they have rounded up Indians, they have rounded up Jews, and they will round up flat earthers and Christians before this thing is over. So, all I'm saying is use some common sense and think about what's going on in this world. Don't put yourself on that freaking map, their map. Because if it's not theirs now, it's going to be before this is over. Think. There's a war going on right now for people's souls, their minds, their lives. We're not in a game. Pay attention. There's an enemy, an adversary, and it is trying to destroy you. Anyways, that's all I gotta say. Stay away from Zoom Truth's Flat Earth People Connector. Bad idea.